Want to generate more leads and boost engagement? ScoreApp makes it easy. Today, I'll show you how to create an engaging scorecard step by step. Let's dive in. ScoreApp helps businesses create interactive scorecards that capture leads and provide personalized insights, perfect for coaches, consultants, and marketers. Let's create our scorecard. First, log into ScoreApp and click Create New Scorecard. You'll see options for AI setup, custom build, or templates. Let's use AI setup for quick results. Using AI setup. Wizard, ScoreApp's AI setup. Wizard simplifies the process by automatically generating a scorecard based on your business needs. Here's how it works. Step 1. Enter your business type. Start by describing your business and the goal of your scorecard. Click Generate New Lead. Step 2. Choose your scorecard. Theme. The AI will suggest a relevant theme and scoring system based on your industry and objectives. In a few words, how would you describe your business? Type A. iTutorials and how-to guides YouTube channel. And how would you describe your target audience? Click Tech Enthusiast or AI Researcher. On what do you want to help your clients improve, achieve, or prevent by using this scorecard? Click Master AI Tools. Click Next. Pick a concept for your scorecard. Click Discover AI Mastery Level. Click Next. Now, it's time to add your questions. Step 3. Generate questions automatically. The AI will draft a set of questions based on best practices. You can review, edit, or add your own to ensure they align with your audience. Since we're just exploring this tool, I'll go ahead and click Add on all the suggested questions to see how it works. Step 4. Customize scoring logic. Adjust how answers contribute to final scores, ensuring users get accurate and valuable feedback. Step 5. Personalize results pages. Set up different result pages tailored to user scores, providing personalized insights and recommendations. Step 6. Review and finalize. The AI setup. Wizard will present a summary of your scorecard. Make any final tweaks before proceeding. Your questions should be engaging and easy to answer. Group them into categories and use multiple choice or sliders for the best experience. A great landing page converts visitors into leads. Use a strong headline, compelling description, and a clear call to action. ScoreApp lets you provide instant feedback based on user scores. Customize results and set up lead capture to grow your email list. Before publishing, test your scorecard for clarity and mobile compatibility. Then, share it across your website, social media, and email campaigns. Here is the result. Now, let's talk pricing. ScoreApp offers 3 plans. The starter plan at around $39 per month, great for small businesses. The growth plan at about $79 per month, perfect for scaling up. And the Pro plan at $129 per month, offering advanced features and more customization. There's also a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. And that's it. ScoreApp makes lead generation easy. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and check the link below to try ScoreApp for yourself. See you in the next video.